So hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you about headings. As I told you, I will tell you about headings. So there are 6 types of heading. Let's write the title here. Headings. Okay, we have written this. Now let's create the heading tag. The heading tag starts with H. Here you go, and close with H. Okay, so let's write a heading here. In heading you can write any news. Okay, news. I have written this. So let's save this and just open the tab. Okay, let's refresh this. See, this is our heading and this is our title and this is our heading news. Okay, this news is too small to see. Let's make some changes. If you want a bigger heading, first of all you will use one. That will be for heading 1. Let's save this with Ctrl S and let's go to our page heading. Okay, let's go. Let's refresh this. See, it is in capital letter and even bold. So this is heading number 1. Let's go to another, that is heading number 2. Okay, I'm not going to change here. I will just make new tag, that is heading 2. Let's write different heading. Times of India. Okay, the news of Times of India with heading 2. Let's save this and find our heading. See, this is heading 1, this is heading 2. There is a difference. Let's do one more thing. We can write here only heading 1 so that we get to know, and heading 2. Okay, this is good. Now let's see the third heading, that is heading H3. It will go on decreasing. The breaking news, or you can write the murder news. That is up to you, whatever news you want to write. Heading 3. Okay. I forgot to close the tag here. Okay, if you would forget to close the tag, what will happen? It will take same tag. Let's see, Control S, save, and then open the HTML tag. Okay, your website. This is your heading 3. So this is the difference. Heading 1, it is capital bold. Heading 2, it is little lighter, smaller, and heading 3, it is little more smaller. Let's go to the other. Same like this, we will write heading 4. Okay, let's just copy paste heading 4, and then heading 5, and then heading 6. Okay, you just have 6 headings. Okay, after 3 it's 4, after this it's 5, after this it's 6. Okay, let's make changes here also. 6, 5, here 4. Okay, if you have open any tag, you need to close it. 4, 5, and this is 6. See, let's save this page with Control S, and let's go to our Chrome. See, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, and this is heading 6. This is too small. Though we can make changes in our CSS, but here we are writing about headings in HTML. So these were all the headings in HTML, and this is the code for it. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching it. In next video, I will tell you about paragraphs.